Hey, hello everyone. Again, I'm here with lots of new planners under rupees 2000. So, welcome to Planner Guide 2023. So, let's go with the first one, that is the June shop planner. First of all, the price of this planner is rupees 1899, and this is a dated planner. Every month you have new cover page with a Spotify scan code for song of the month. This is something new. Then here we have calendar, and on the other side they have given checklist. Wow, such a cute artwork. I mean, colors are so beautiful and eye-catching. There are so many unique inserts they have. Then finally we have monthly overview, habit tracking, monthly to-do, morning and night routine, and a list for mental clarity. Then here it is money tracker. So these are weekly pages. You can write your weekly to-dos here, and along with that you will get water tracker. Great. Even they have journaling prompts too, your weekly detox list. This is much needed section, such a thoughtful planner, and the colors are so beautiful. Such a great planner. Wow, there are so many cute planners, and now I am getting confused. There are lots and lots of options to choose. Wow, just love all the graphics and artwork. There are so much colors into it. Totally my vibes planner. Also, all the sections are thought-provoking, so well designed. Next up we have a planner from Journal Lab called Find Your Balance Planner. So this one is 2-in-1. It's a journal plus planner. So this is undated planner, and best thing is that the price of this planner is only 699. So let's quickly check it out. So here in this planner you will get so many journaling prompts, goals for the year, and I like this thing that they have separate categories for different areas of life like personal, financial, health and all. This is great. I feel that this planner is more useful for mental awareness because all the inserts are really thought-provoking, and it will help you to maintain mental peace. Honestly, right now I am having strong feeling that I need to buy this planner because this planner is very useful for those who have their job as well as side hustle, because when you are maintaining so many things, you need to maintain your mental peace. You need to track yourself, so yes. And there are 3 options also. Okay, I am in love with this planner. I mean, all the colors are so me. Love all the sections. I haven't seen such inserts in any other planner. Just amazing. Now this is already a popular brand, and she is also a popular artist. You will love all the doodles and artwork in the planner. So this time she has undated planner also. So let's see. So this is Alicia Souza's ultimate undated planner, and price of this planner is 1799. Obviously this planner gives a premium feel with its doodles and cover and all the artwork. So this is a wire bound planner with a pocket and a satin bookmark, and also they have freebies like sticker book and mini planner. So let's see with what's inside it. So here it is goals page and steps to achieve your goals. Wow, this is so important, but no one is talking about this thing. We always set goals but forget to write down steps that you need to take to achieve your goals. Wow, I love all the colors and doodles. There are so many unique sections which are useful to plan your stuff. And before you sign out, you can just go ahead and binge watch my entire playlist. That will be helpful guide for you to choose your perfect planner for 2023. And make sure you subscribe. Bye.